Working on the Mercedes today. The customer came to the shop with the trunk closed and cannot open the trunk. So what we need to do, we need to go on the back. Open the seat. Remove the seat on the back so I can get in. And when we was there, we have a lock here, which is mounted here, and you have emergency release. That's how you open. That's how you can be able to open the trunk. So it's two things here. Number one, it's a lock ratchet, which is located here. The second one, this is also for soft closing the trunk. You have a motor located on the back, inside here. So now, what we did, try to find out why it doesn't work properly. We lock it back in, try to open it, just we can use emergency here, opener, nothing happens. So, put the power, check it, if you get power to the lock itself. And when we press it, we get power. So that's indication the lock itself is not good. So we're gonna need to replace it, and she's gonna approve it and go from there. And here we have a Porsche, kind of special car. It's 1989 930 turbo. And the customer drove the car, everything fine, and just stolen him and would not restart the car. So we get it back in the shop here, and when we find out, first we check the fuel pressure, make sure the fuel is good, and you get in fuel. So simple, we go to check the spark. It has spark and no spark. So we start digging here, and when we find out, come on this side. Remove the cap, everything seems to be fine here. Sometimes what happens, this relay going bad and doesn't turn on the box for the spark. That's what's create the spark and send the signal and all the stuff. And we test the relay, it's working fine. So now what we end up, we're gonna need to replace this box. We order it and see what's gonna happen when the box is gonna get here. Alright, so here we got new Mercedes lock for this trunk. Let's plug it in. Now, lock it. Locks. Let's try to open it. Works perfectly fine. So now you put back together, and they're good to go.
Show them how to replace that
ignition
coil.
This one is Bosch, Papi.
I know it's Bosch.
Yeah, but it should not be Bosch.
Yes, it should be. Because that's the original box that's in there.
Right. That's what you say before. You told me before. It's
The new Bosch coils are made in Brazil, okay?
Yeah.
And the Brazilian coils won't work with this CDI unit. That's what I'm telling you. This looks like an original coil, if you ask me.
Well, it does, but I thought you told me it's not a Bosch. That's what I'm telling you. It's
No,
Bosch.
I never said it wasn't a Bosch. The
Wow.
new coil's not a Bosch.
You a little bit bullshit yourself now.
You misrepresent yourself.
Yeah, you a little bullshit yourself, Papi. Anyway. Are you finished?
No. Go on all day.
What time right now?
Time for me to go.
No, time to go a long time ago.
2 minutes to 3.
Yeah, then move out.
Good.
Thank you.
We'll be kicking me around.
Have a good day. Wipe yourself. All right. Okay, so continue working on this 930. what they found, the CDI, which is this box, it's no good. It's kind of hard to test it. You can test it, but usually when you turn the key on, make beeping noise, like very small noise. It's working fine, which is this actually make noise, but the car will not start. And when you put the new box, you need to replace the coil, because usually what happens, the coil going bad and make the box go bad. So we're gonna put new coil right now also. We already put new box, so just drop the coil and should be fine. Let's do it. Let's do it. Don't say it.
Tell the other guy I'll see him tomorrow.
You never know. You never know.
Tell the other guy I'll see him tomorrow.
One old guy told me that a long time ago. I see you tomorrow. And I never see him after that. He dead. Yeah. Things happen. Minus plus. It's a minus. There's a plus. Good. Alright, it's fixed. So the problem was the box, no good. And of course you need to put new coil. And the car, good to go. Back to the customer. Thank you.